I think I've lost my concentration. I can't find it because my brain's in a constant state of constipation, and the shit's stacking up at a crazy rate of inflation, like rainforest log piles destroying South American nations. Wait, where was I again? I'm right here with my pen. I was doing something but then lost my train of thought yet again. Was I talking about my brain or the way in which we drain South America of a resource? Oh well, I guess it's all the same. We don't expend on the daily basis, so how could we possibly imagine how our attitudes are destructive and literally wreaking havoc? But think about it. We're all pimps, and third worlds are turning tricks. Our fingertips dig deeply, trees fall neatly, tiny little matchsticks, so that walking slabs of beef can get at greens and eat up leaves just to die in heaps. And we can sleep because we don't have to watch the way this process slaughters. We're killing 8-month-old babies so we can stuff them in our sons and daughters. And I do it too. Don't think I'm separate from you. I eat McDonald's fast food just like any red-blooded fool. But, I'm not loving it no more. It's hard to eat a hamburger, being annoyed, trying to ignore all the life forms I've just passively chewed up and destroyed. And that's the kicker, dude. It's a passive action that is happening. The less I do about it personally, the more meat that we'll be packaging. And then we'll need more space for our soon-to-be slaughtered slaves, and that takes down the forest faster, reducing the oxygen that it gave, which deprives the world of flora and drives the fauna somewhere else. We're whipping animals to behave with spiky greed-studded belts. And the shit that they produce chokes up the rivers and the streams and empties out into the oceans, creating dead zones you can see. You gotta see it, man. We're fucking the natural system up the ass with this massive blast of passive non-activism strap-on that we have. And soon that spastic savage piece of plastic will reverse in its traction, and we'll be the ones choking, deep-throating methane gases, pass through bovine colons, exploding out into the ozone, wasting it, creating an ozone, taking the vacant space in the air vacated by the O2, which should have been there in the first place, produced by vegetation, reduced through devastation, introduced by first world nations. And the more I think about it, the more frustration that I feel, the more I try to look away and distract myself with something real, looking up at awaiting tasks, piling up in stacks upon my desk. But ultimately, I lose the debate. I'm afraid I just can't concentrate.